Hi there, good afternoon. My name is Tyler Gordon, and for this hackathon, I decided I was going to create an election projection and simulator game for people to use on election night for the United States presidential election. For the first thing, I created an installer to easily install the program, so we'll just double click on it. It's called Road to the White House. We'll go through this. It'll set up the installation folder for us. Um, It'll ask us if we trust the program. We'll let it install. Once it's done installing, we'll click close. And now we have a icon, an application on our desktop, which we can double click and it will open up the program. Now, this program has a couple of features. First off, you can select the name of the candidates and even choose a different candidate color. Candidate color? Yeah. And we'll just keep them default for now, and then we'll click start. It'll take a second for the program to start up. It has to download some information from the internet and get the whole GUI going. But once we're up and going, you have a couple of areas in here. This is candidate 1's column, candidate 2's column, and then you have a list of the states along with the Electoral College votes that they have. Now, on this drop-down menu, you can select a specific state, and it will show you the percent chance according to 538 of each candidate winning this state. So it looks like candidate 2 has a higher percent chance of them winning the state. So I'll just go and put them in candidate 2's column. Now, you'll also notice that Nebraska turned to candidate 2's color. Now we can select another candidate or another state, so we'll select California. We'll move California over to the left. Now, you'll notice also that the Electoral College votes are updating, and you have this little car down at the bottom of the screen, which will go across the screen until it gets to 270 votes, which is when a winner is declared. Now, if I go back and I click on Nebraska, it'll show me the chances of each candidate winning Nebraska again. Same with California. Now, one of the key features of this program is you can click save, which will then bring up a save dialog. So if I wanted to save this to my desktop and say guesses 1, and let's save that to the desktop. Now what that's done is that's put this Road to the White House guesses 1 file on my desktop. Now I also have this new Road to the White House. So let's go and open up that. When we click open, it will open up the file dialog. We'll go to desktop and we'll open up new. And it'll open up this previous state that I had so that I can have multiple guesses and share with my friends like, oh, these are my guesses for this upcoming presidential election. Kind of make it a March Madness competition to see who can get the most right. And then on election night, you can create an entirely new board and just drag the states over to the correct columns as they're called out. Yeah, that's my submission for this Hack the U. It's been awesome creating this. It's been a great learning opportunity to learn web-based data gathering along with GUIs, working on more GUIs. I've really enjoyed it. So thank you for spending the time to watch this video. I've tried to keep it short, so I'll wrap it up here, but thanks again.